Online class for kids. Hello there. Welcome to another exciting episode here at Online Class for Kids. Running, breathing, and even beating of the heart. Every single activity in the body requires the cooperation of billions or trillions of cells. The part responsible for all of this is the nervous system. The nervous system comprises the central and peripheral nervous systems. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system is made up of the nerves. The brain is a very delicate organ located inside the protection of the skull. The brain is in control of everything in your body, even when you're asleep and dreaming. The brain has 5 main parts: the cerebellum, brainstem, pituitary gland, and hypothalamus. The cerebrum is the biggest part of the brain. It controls all voluntary activity of the body. Activities like standing up, moving your fingers, solving puzzles, and math problems need the help of the cerebrum. It also contains your memories, both short-term and long-term. The cerebellum is located on the back part of the brain. It controls the balance, movement, and coordination of the muscles. The brainstem is located below the cerebrum. It controls the body's involuntary activities. These are activities that we don't need to think about, such as heart beating and breathing. The pituitary gland produces and releases hormones into your body. It plays a huge role in growing up, especially in puberty. The hypothalamus controls the temperature of the body. When the body is feeling hot, we start to sweat. And when we feel cold, we get shivers and goosebumps. Both are the work of the hypothalamus. The other part of the nervous system is the spinal cord. The spinal cord runs along the spine of the body. It's a bundle of nerves responsible for moving signals from the brain to the body and vice versa. And lastly, these are the nerves. These nerve fibers extend from the spinal cord and into the different parts of the body. They perform similarly to the spinal cord. Now that we've learned about the nervous system, let's have a short review. Name the 2 parts of the central nervous system. Brain and spinal cord. Awesome! What extends from the spinal cord and into the different parts of the body? Nerves. Good job. What part controls the body temperature? Hypothalamus. Amazing! What is the biggest part of the brain? Cerebrum. Amazing! I hope you had a wonderful time learning about the nervous system. See you next time for another fun-filled learning only here at Online Class for Kids. Visit onlineclassforkids.com for more fun learning videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.